Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be telling you that for a client, I made a Python script that will scrape all of the sessions from Adobe Max. So, for example, if I open up a link, and so you can see it will scrape all of that data, the speakers, the about the sessions, and everything. So this is the script I made, right? So the fun part is that it's not the usual script. What it does is basically it will create a docs file for each session. So what it does, it will create this as a separate docs file and not an Excel sheet. Now I'll run this in action so you can see, okay? So how I made this script is basically I use Playwright. Playwright is an automated tool that will automatically clicks for us. So I'll run it now and show you the results. So you can see it will go open up. So it will detect how many projects are there. Now you can see if I click here, you will see that it has found 180 sessions. So if I click on here, it will now scrap, and you can see it's making the session separate docs file. Now I will stop here and I will show you the results. So if I open up this one, you can see we are getting the session URL, the about the session, and the speakers. So if you need scripts like that for more websites or for this website, please do connect with me here on LinkedIn, and thank you for watching.